Up next, please welcome Eugene, founder of Ryon Asset, presenting on monetization of gold as a yield asset. Let's hear how gold meets the future of finance.
Thank you for inviting me here today. I'm Eugene Yoon, the founder of Ryon Asset. Ryon Asset, founded just this April, is a startup, and we are honored to be selected to join this summit. I've worked as an accountant for over 10 years at various accounting firms, including KPMG Korea and venture capital and private equity firms. My primary focus has been on traditional finance, including corporate capital raising, IPOs, and M&A advisory. In 2019, I entered the blockchain industry as the CFO of crypto exchange. I was very impressed by DeFi projects in 2020, DeFi Summer, and recognized the potential of blockchain technology. At that time, I was convinced that financial services would be one of the most important industries for the use of blockchain technology. In 2022, I led a gold tokenization project at Itsun, a company that owns Korea's largest gold exchange. We parted and I founded Ryon Asset to tokenize gold. Our goal is to generate additional revenue from gold using blockchain technology. Gold has been favored by large pension funds and high net worth individuals. Historically, gold has been a hedge against inflation and a haven asset supporting portfolio stability and diversification. However, traditional gold investment has its limitations as a passive investment that does not provide direct returns such as dividends or interest and is subject to price fluctuations. To address these shortcomings of gold, Ryon Asset offers an innovative tokenization service that generates income over the life of the gold holding. Ryon Asset bridges traditional finance and Web3, transforming Web2 data into digital assets through our platform. More than just a store of value, Ryon Asset's gold token will provide additional revenue opportunities for investors and lead in a new era of gold fintech. The problem with traditional gold investment is that gold does not participate in economic activities and instead requires storage costs. The first problem with traditional gold investment is the storage cost. In addition to the physical storage costs, there is an opportunity cost of not being able to invest in other assets that could yield higher returns. Second problem is non-productivity. 1 ounce of gold is always just 1 ounce of gold. The quantity of gold does not increase over time. Third, gold has no fundamental valuation. Unlike other assets with predictable earnings or cash flows, gold's price is solely determined by supply and demand, leading to price discrepancies across different markets and countries. And gold ETFs and gold tokens as alternative investment vehicles also do not solve the above problems. Although gold ETFs provide abundant liquidity, they do not generate holding period returns, and gold tokens such as PAX Gold can be distributed globally, but they incur storage costs and require audits for custody reliability. Our solution to these challenges is to tokenize gold ETFs and generate yield through DeFi, leveraging traditional financial infrastructure and Chainlink's cross-chain interoperability protocol, CCIP. To achieve this, Ryon has designed a comprehensive solution that tokenizes gold securities, eliminates storage costs, and leverages proven DeFi applications to generate yield during the holding period. Ryon's system is built by utilizing traditional financial infrastructure for the tokenization of gold ETFs and Chainlink's cross-chain interoperability protocol, CCIP, for DeFi integration. Let me give you a brief overview of the gold ETF market. As of April 2024, gold-backed ETFs amount to $228 billion, representing about 1.63% of the $14 trillion global gold market. North America and Europe dominate the global gold ETF market, holding over 90% of the total gold ETF assets, with $116 billion and $94 billion, respectively. SPDR is the world's largest gold ETF with $61.7 billion in assets under management. It is listed in 5 countries, including Japan, the US, Singapore, and Hong Kong. I'm here today to introduce our company and explore potential partnerships and investment opportunities. I want to thank ISTA again for inviting me. Ryon Asset possesses a comprehensive knowledge of both conventional and decentralized financial markets. Our team will redefine how we invest in gold through our innovative fintech solutions. If you are curious as to what Ryon stands for, R is for real, Y is for yield on chain asset. Thank you. Oh, I see a great question in the chat. Thank you for asking. Are you planning to issue physical gold-backed tokens in South Korea first? That's an important question. While gold investment is quite active in South Korea, unfortunately, the government has not yet introduced clear regulations regarding security token offerings. Without proper legal clarity, it's difficult to launch a compliant business in this environment. That said, we've already completed the design of our gold-backed tokenization system and have filed a patent application. So we're technically ready, just waiting for the regulatory green light. If you'd like to learn more, please feel free to contact us through our Telegram or via our website. I'd be happy to connect and go deeper, and once again, I really appreciate your time and attention today. It was an honor to share the new possibilities of gold with you. Let's keep the conversation going.